Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how salons and spas can benefit from Kabbage loans. Now, stylists, spa owners, your businesses thrive on a great service and a great setup. Kabbage can help you with both. Here's how to make it work for your salon or spa. Step 1, refresh your equipment. Now, from massage tables to hair dryers, equipment needs to work and look professional. Now, use a Kabbage drawer to upgrade without draining your savings. Step 2, bulk buy products. Now you can stock up on high margin retail items like shampoos, oils, and skincare. You get better price in bulk and more profit on each sale. Step 3, market new services. Now, launching facials or color treatments. You can use Kabbage to fund a small ad campaign on limited time offers, just to build business buzz. Step 4, redesign the space. Now you can also redesign the space because a refreshed interior helps to keep clients coming back. Paints, lightings, or new decors can be a smart investment Kabbage can help you cover. With the beauty business, presentation is everything, and with Kabbage you can grow your salon without stress. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. And if you do run a salon or spa and you want to consider getting Kabbage loans, we have videos on how to start, that you can pretty much take advantage of that, and it'll get you started on this. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.